viewers, back again with me, Ayu Pertiwi, to paste news stories that are truth and update, which I will summarize in seputar Indonesian dates. The 16th September 2015, two airlines, Lion Air and Batik Air, had spun around in the new week. However, because the second smoke cannot land at Sultan Syarif Qasim II Airport, Pekanbaru, the plane is raised above the new week. But because visibility is covered by smoke below 1,000 meters, it cannot land, Hassan said. Both aircraft were eventually diverted in Batam for the safety of passengers. The news was the closing ceremony seputar Indonesian this morning. I am Ayu Pertiwi saying thank you.